How to make a Colt 45 cocktail. G'day there drinking buddies, Scotty Boxa here for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes. This here is the Colt 45. Last week some of you asked me what you could do with Red Bull, so this is it. It's a cross between the Jäger bomb and the vodka Red Bull, and this is how to make it. For this you'll need 1 ounce of gin, 2 ounces of Jägermeister, and 4 to 6 ounces of Red Bull. In a glass full of ice, pour in your 2 shots of Jäger, your gin, and top with Red Bull. And there you have it, the Colt 45. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, sign up to become my drink buddy, and I will see you next time. Cheers.